the stream! Oh, yeah! Come on! Day 18, baby! Come on! We ain't stopping. We work harder than anyone else out there, baby. Only here on this channel, baby. If you like what you see, you gotta subscribe. You gotta follow for more, because we're just getting started. We're just getting started, baby. Oh, yeah. We moving. We making some big moves, baby. We making some big moves, baby.
Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies.
Show me it, baby.
So you can see what you
Yeah.
did.
Welcome to CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on that beautiful introduction. Once again, if you don't know me, my name is Nick Van de Wettering, and we are on a journey on vibe coding until we get out of this beautiful basement of mine. If you guys can see the counter here, we are hungry for some push-ups. Every single follow on any one of these social medias equals 5 push-ups. Come on, guys. Put me in good shape today. Let's do it. Let's get some friggin' push-ups out of our system. We got to do a quick count. We got to do an update. These are yesterday's numbers. And I'm telling y'all, we are only going up from here. Yesterday, we finished the stream at 36. Today, I'm gladly willing to show you guys that we have made it up to 38 YouTube subscribers. Bow, 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 bow. Plus 2 on YouTube. Thank you very much to y'all, too, who subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. Okay. Now I want to show you the tickety-tockety. We left off at 10 tickety-tockety subscribers. Now we are up to 11. Thank you for following me on the tickety-tockety. Now we got to move to the Instagram. I don't have it up yet. Instagram. We left off the last stream with 34 beautiful followers, and now let's bump it up to 35 plus 1. Thank you so much for following me on the Instagram. All right, let's look at Facebook. I think Facebook's a big womp, guys. 7, and we're still at 7, but I appreciate all 70 of you guys who follow me on Instagram. Facebook. Meta products in general. Thank you, followers. Okay, and last but certainly not least, let's talk about what we're doing here on X, y'all. We left off with 35. Now we're up to 37 plus 2. Thank y'all. So that's a total of 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is plus 6 followers across all platforms in the day. 6 followers times 5 push-ups per follower equals 30 push-ups, y'all. You put me to work, baby. Ow. Okay. You want to see it? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Get down, Nick. Let's do it. Thank you. You probably couldn't hear me say it, but I was saying to y'all, thank you, all 6 of y'all. It means the world to me. Oh, yes, it does. We're going to quickly update some of those numbers here. Get them up. Channel's growing, y'all. We are making big moves. And 37. Beautiful. Thank you all. How about we get some work done, eh? So, Big things coming here, guys. As per the recommendation from our boy, Mr. Dr. Q, we are changing CoLateral into a Next.js desktop application. Simple enough. We are separating CoLateral, the desktop application, from the website where you can purchase CoLateral. It's as simple as that. So we got a big prompt coming in there. My Capital Command Center seems to be broken. Need to merge this pull request bud. Oh goodness. Yeah, here we go. All right. Sorry, just settling in. Weird day. Bit tired, starting late. I took an afternoon nap. Yeah, right here, the scheduling's not working. It's a difficult application, guys, but it's huge, man. Huge in terms of getting our content up and at it, eh? Okay. One thing we gotta know, hey, Claude is much slower than GPT. Y'all notice that? Let me know what you think. Okay. Okay, so we merged what should fix it. We're gonna clip yesterday's stream. We got some good clips there. We're gonna reset this. Oh, we added a huge CoLateral fix up too. I want to see how that works. We literally have it now where you can drop in, like just drag and drop puppies right onto the canvas. Stream logos. Look at that, drop a PDF. Oh my word, guys, look at that. Oh, dang. Oh. Weird we got two of those. Hey, you need to take a look when we upload images onto the canvas. For some reason, there's like two full screen things. One of them doesn't work, so get rid of the middle one that doesn't work. Guys, I'm loving how generous OpenAI's been with usage limits, etc. Yeah, that should grow to that size. Oh my word, yeah. You guys see that? And it drops it exactly where it was supposed to be. I wonder, can it do videos? Okay. We're going to make it do videos. Guys, we're going to literally have it. You can drop everything in this world. There's no reason not to. That might be a Fable thing. Oh, and then merging all this crap's going to be a mess, I bet. We need it such that... I should have waited. Shoot. I'm going to wait until we actually like do the great merge. Gosh, the snap ability, y'all, you got to give it to Dr. Q. Our snapping images right here is so much smoother, so much prettier to work with. We literally call this one Dr. Q for fixing us up. Guys, I am so dehydrated. Like, I'm sweating in my cool basement. Okay, let's see, where are we? So that migration, we're doing a big time migration move, guys, as you can see here. Next.js migration. We have everything moved over. This is a Fable 5 high. So we have a backup where we are we have everything on a backup repository. And then we are simply moving all this stuff to Next.js shell. Are we done this yet? This has been stuck on this for so long. Okay. Oh, another thing I want to do with, gosh, did we merge it? ADHD brain much, eh? Okay. Let's get ourselves a new Capital Command Center rep in here. Need to be able to get those clips up, guys. The beautiful thing about YouTube and uploading publicly is you just get so much better at it in a short amount of time if you just friggin' get ripping. And the bad thing about that is if you batch upload a bunch, you're going to look back at your old videos and be like, ooh, that's not a good video. That's awful. I have standards now, y'all. Looks like we got 2 viewers in YouTube world. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We are currently vibe coding until we get out of this beautiful basement of mine. Just getting our Capital Command Center, our clippity clipper getter going, y'all. Goodness gracious. Alright. Okay, there was a valid concern that I got on Threads, which, by the way, this is all done here. It should have posted. This is how we do it. We batch upload everything on Threads. Oh, it didn't even do... Oh, it's at 9 p.m. It's going to start the next one. We batch upload Threads. People interact with it. It's great. We copy and paste it into X so we don't get banned. Simple as that, y'all. It's a formula that just works. So... Oh, and then you can go in here, you can see what's scheduled. So this is posting tomorrow at 10 a.m. What the heck? No, I wanted it for today. And these are all starting tomorrow. Today at 10 p.m. Okay, here we are. Whatever. Ship it. There we are. I will find a way to automate. Or here, yeah, you could do that, I suppose. Like, schedule uploading here. So let's do that with X. I think it's worth it. Cool, we can shut that down. Oh, that didn't just... Fuck. That didn't delete it, did it? Okay, no. Dude, these are repeats. Are you kidding me? Look, I posted this one before. Look, sunglasses. If I search sunglasses... It's literally like a copy. Whatever. We'll schedule. Today's the 15th. There we are. We're just gonna keep doing those. want methodology to this. Ah, it's so frustrating to see. They spell CoLateral wrong. Whatever. How can I go back here? This is so silly how this posted like this. This is random drafts. That's cute. I hope I don't have to like automate this entirely, guys. Or I hope I can automate it. Seven a.m. I know I could be doing this off stream, but there's one about consistency that I like. This is silly. I will find a way around this. Guys, I'm just sensitive to the idea that I get shadow banned for just getting Claude to do it. I kind of like these a little bit, these tweets. It's like I'm the underdog. Isn't this consistency? Did I post this? No. Okay, that'll be enough for now there. Let's get, oh great, NPM new major version available. I don't care. Sorry, I was just looking. Clip editor. Let's get some clips up, guys. Local host, baby. All right. I'll close that up. Oh, I should have scheduled for over the weekend when I'm going to be gone, the trailer. So, guys, yeah, I won't be streaming for... I'll be on stream tomorrow. That can be a good one. That'll be a long one, actually. Be off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well, Sunday night maybe. I'll give you something. Okay. So still, this has not been uploadable. Look. Okay, so there we go. We got the slots. So the 21st. Tuesday, July 21st at 7:30. Let's see what that does for us. Baking our trim in there. And then while that's cooking, guys, we are going to upload yesterday's stream. Which is this. I love that intro. Yeah, gotta love to see it. Okay, so we're gonna grab that. Literally just look at that, the link. Just the link. Find clips. Look at that. It's gonna generate us 10 clippable viral moments, and we're gonna upload those to YouTube. Rinse and repeat 3 times a day, every day. Boom. That is how you get outreach. That is how you go viral, baby. Oh heavens, so our whole big time merge for CoLateral is about to happen. So this is a big one. Let me start with a safety step, backing up the current code. Okay, main is backed up. Oh my word, it happened, guys. New scaffolding. This is scary. The Tory shell to the next JS app. Yep. BuildWorks. The 57 tools. Beautiful. Oh my word. Okay. The canvas is the centerpiece. Yep. I'll keep watching the PR. Yep, it happened. There it is. 12:01 is a big one, guys. Oh, yeah. In the meantime, clips are coming. This game quick, eh? Mind you, I guess it was a less than an hour stream. We'll be going late tonight. Don't worry. Okay. I need you to verify that we still have the about page, the tools page, and like, you know, the request access page. Those are still HTMLs that we're going to have like still rocking on Vercel as a website soon to launch. Oh, Kyle, baby! Welcome back, man. You missed a great stream yesterday, eh? We had Dr. Q in the chat. It was a quickie. It was a great stream, man. Good to see you here. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Sorry, I'm sitting down right now, but now I'm hyped up. Kyle, I want you to see a couple things, baby. You want to see growth? You want to see growth? Take a look at that, baby. What do you notice? These numbers are getting bigger every single day. We are working our butt off, and it is showing. It is showing. We are accelerating. We are right now just about to do that. We are just about to, woo! Oh, Kyle, my day was okay. I was awfully tired. But oh boy, like these streams, man, I'm telling you, vibe coding gives me life. This gives me energy. This is everything right here. If I was just working my 9 to 5 and then watch Netflix, Love Island constantly, I would be miserable. This is what keeps me going, baby. It's you guys. I do this for you. I do this for the community. I do these for engineers who need an all-in-one workspace. CoLateral. Okay. We have a huge change, Kyle. By the way, there's you have competition. There's another guy that I love who comments on my streams here. His name's Dr. Q. And he's made some great recommendations, man, so far. He's not competition, don't worry. You guys are just like two of my buddies. I love you guys. Oh yeah. So, I want to show ya. Well, we got clips coming, baby. We got a clip yesterday's stream and today's stream, or 2 days ago's stream. If I go to my uploading center, okay, so it was July 20th. That day 16 it says failed. Come on, see, all these are saying failed, 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 failed. Like, this is frustrating. So that says failed. If I go to my, because sometimes it says failed, but then if we actually go to it, it worked out okay. It's just frustrating because like we make changes and by golly, it has troubles. We haven't been doing great on the shorts lately. Something's up. Algorithm's not helping us here. If I go to shorts, take a look. Yeah, 17 views. This was like from this afternoon, like 12:30. Okay, push these okay. I won't complain. 442. That one I knew was going to blow up. That was actually a good one. 1650 there. Anyways, July 20th. Simply pay. Bang the drum. This ain't that bad. Yeah, so it didn't go through. Awfully frustrating. Yeah. Also, like, yeah, I'm very mad. And look, like, how dare it show? Okay, get me back here. July 20th. Let's do the 21st, see if that works. So this is 2 days ago, and it still says failed. This is ridiculous, man. Is it just because it's an old as friggin' crap? But I like the clips that it gives me. It's just frustrating, man. I have so many mental breakdowns with you, Kyle. It's hilarious. This stream got 56 views on this stream. Kyle, these streams are like going viral now. Come on. Look at that. That was like almost 2 days ago. We've gone up 12 subscribers. Oh, we got some... just some replies. So I'm going to upload this again. So this is yesterday's. So we're going to look at yesterday's. Clip 1. This is good. This is like right after our push-ups. The thing is, I've been wearing a black t-shirt the past 3 streams, so they all look like from the same day. Ladies and gentlemen! Woo! And it's still doing purple. I've pushed so many pull requests. I've tried every model. By default, when we are generating clips, the title, the recommended title here, needs to come out as white as default. You keep doing purple, that is unacceptable. Make it white. Because I'm sick of doing this. Ooh. We don't actually do push-ups there, so we can... Ladies and there's a burp. Gentlemen. Woo! Ah, it feels so good. Happy Tuesday. Folks, we've had a great day. This is good. I don't even say much there. I wish it would... So does this allow for trimming? Because we've made a... Small burps. We've allowed for this to trim. Okay, they're split. Lady. Furthermore, we need it such that the clips, the clip generator like suggests like trims and it cuts out like some of the dead audio space. So the program needs to do that by default too when we generate new clips. And then like show where those trims were done so then we can edit it after. Okay, let's edit this. Ladies and gentlemen. That should be a trim. We gotta be fast paced. We live in a weird world where attention is everything. That's ridiculous. Split and it just gives me one video. This is starting to get ridiculous. When I say we were to do a split, you don't just simply trim the clip. You need to allow me to like make cuts in the one clip. Very similar to the long form editor. It's freaking ridiculous, man. So now I'm stuck with a 30-second clip of me saying nothing. We've had a great day. Activated. The let alone the captions don't work. I've passed so many pull requests on this already. It's just getting ridiculous. I don't even want to wear the freaking headphones. My head hurts. Oh, goodness gracious. Just get it cooking out of my TV here. Whatever. Look, it just says activated. That's so ridiculous. Let's see the captions. Activated, folks. We've had a great day. This is folks. So stupid. Will this schedule for Monday? Kyle, on every other stream is a disaster stream, man. Watch, I'll lose all of CoLateral trying to merge it too. All right, let's merge this to main. Oh, hold on. I need you to merge pull request to main, resolving conflicts along the way. Kyle, man. Okay, rendering. Why do I have to do one at a time, too? I'm just so sick of this, man. Goodness gracious. Disaster stream. Oh, yeah. We're drowning all of our sorrows in a Diet Coke right now. You want a burp, Kyle? I'll give you a burp. Will this actually upload? I don't know. I'm running out of content, Kyle. Realizing my stuff from like a couple weeks ago sucks. Now that I have standards. So it's like, what do I do, man? Like, come on. Back when I was sitting on that chair over there, I was miserable. I'm like, hey guys, how's it going? I want to talk to you about CoLateral. Now we're standing up. We own the place. I have confidence now, man. Give me a break. But the upload hit a snag. You could YouTube token refresh. It's like every freaking time. Is this a 5.6 backend thing? Capital Command is getting a bit ridiculous. I should never be seeing these errors because every single time that I make any change, something breaks. And it's all your fault. You are ridiculous. You are ruining my life. Every single time I use you, you give me a headache. Why am I paying money to use you if you're just going to give me a headache? Stop doing this, fix my problem, and bring me back on the trip to prosperity. Goodness, Kyle. Okay, I don't even know if this is freaking scheduled. I gotta sit down because I'm freaking stressed. No, Kyle, I can't fart. Do you see? Don't ever ask someone ever, Kyle. A word of advice. Someone who's stressed out, they can't fart. They're stressed. Their butthole's plugged up, okay? But, like, nothing fixes. That's a good clip. Can I actually upload it? Is a great question. Everything fails. Everything fails, Kyle. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to take a tweet of that. X. Great. No action. Great. Yeah, no, I love when everything fails. Yep. No. Yep. That's great. Yep. No. Yep. Disaster stream. We'll throw that here too. Why not? Oh, pay more money to get this going. Yeah, no, screw you. Screw you. That is the name of the game. Hope you figure out what's causing it. I hope so too, Kyle. That'd be awfully nice if we could have ourselves a clip generator that actually worked. Like, goodness forbid, I tried. Oh, let's like, get TikTok functionality. Okay, yeah, let's screw over your YouTube now. Like, what? Yeah. Disaster stream. Blowing up right now. Can't get any. Oh, that got some views. 180. There we go. Finally. It's just 17 and 37 here. The algorithm hasn't given them love yet. Bang the drum. Yeah, nothing's going, Kyle. Nothing's going our way. It is frustrating. I shouldn't have to, like, edit them either. Let's go! Hashtag space. Welcome to the chat, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are having a disaster stream. Thank you. You see this, man? I appreciate the kind words. Tell me to keep going. You know what? I'm going to stand up. You were inspiring me to get standing up here. We got to keep going. We got to keep fighting. All from today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I promise to make you proud. It's just, it's just frustrating. Like, I fixed something and then something else breaks. Goodness gracious. You feel me? You ever do? Do you do any vibe coding, Mr. Hashtag? I want to know if you have any advice, any similar experiences on your end. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, welcome to the journey, man. We do it here. We suck at it, but one day at a time, man. One frickin' day at a time. Which model? We are ripping Fable 5. We are ripping GPT 5.6. I throw in a wee bit of Opus if I'm feeling cheap. How about you? Yeah, we're getting better. We're getting better. This is CoLateral. I don't know if you've seen this before, Mr. Hashtag CoLateral demo. That's a really cool background, eh? This one's really laggy because it's an HTML. That's what we're trying to fix in this stream. Okay, this could all turn around if I get this one change successfully implemented into CoLateral. This could be a miracle stream. If what I just merged onto main breaks everything about CoLateral, you guys might never see me ever again. Yeah. This literally could be another disaster stream. I'm not even joking. If this pull request does not work and breaks everything, I might cry on stream. I might lose my mind on stream. I literally might just... You feel me? Woof, woof. Yeah. But if it works... So that's an yeah, because I was just merging a bunch of stuff. But typically Fable here. And then we got GPT trying to do some back-end frustration stuff. You're right to be furious. Of course I'm right to be furious. Every freaking time I try to fix something, it breaks. Okay. Once this merges, we got a big check on our hands here. And then in the meantime, I need to get some clips going, guys, because, like, seriously, like, content is important. Y'all feel me? That's how we can connect, you know? Hashtag, I'm curious, how did you end up here on the channel? How'd you stumble across Nick Van de Wettering, a.k.a. Vibe Cone until I can move out of my mother's basement? Like every single clip has this error. Failed. If I click publish now, nothing. Okay. Fat pull request was just made for changing everything over to a Next.js. So, you guys don't know, CoLateral. It's going to be a desktop application. Oh, hashtag, you're on a journey on your own, I see, eh? Good to see we showed up in your inbox here. Because we like to have a lot of fun here. I'm happy that you're starting your live streaming too. It's hard, man. It is hard. I don't see you on YouTube. I tried searching you up, hashtag space. Oh, I'm spelling it wrong. There you are. 35 subscribers, man. Congrats. Just for getting started. I see yesterday you started 20 views. That's insane, man. Good on you. I gave you a quick subscribe over there, man. Keep it up. It's freaking hard work. Oh, yeah. The man. Gave you a subscribe. Keep up the great work, King. There we go. I left a nice little comment on your video there for you. You got this. Actually, yeah. Keep going. There we go. We'll ship that out. All right. Yeah. So, okay. Big pull request here, guys. This is a moment of truth. We are going to merge 1203. I believe. Okay. We're going to merge it. I'm physically doing this myself. Ah! Okay, we just did it. So now it's a Next.js. So Vercel is... Thank you for subscribing. You know what hashtag? I'm going to refresh my YouTube just to take a peek. Let's see it. We are at, if you see right here, 38 subscribers. And I see my man, 39. Oh, yeah. Can we get some W's in the chat? Thank you so much for subscribing. As promised, every one follower equals 5 push-ups. I'm going to give you 6, man. Here we go. Drop it, give me 6. Drop it, give me 6. Boom. Woo. Thank you so much. I gave you a tip just because... you were such good inspiration for me, man. Thank you. Okay, back to work. This is merged. This is huge. So if I go to Vercel, things are going to be a little different. Little different here. I'm awfully worried. Take it one step at a time. Let's go. Okay. Vercel app. If I open this, it's still in HTML, so I just don't know what's going on. Military style, baby. Yeah, I do. I do the knuckles, baby. Okay. I don't know what happened because we are still HTML. Ooh. Oh, that's weird. Sorry. Okay, so we're still in HTML, so nothing worked. I'm going to ask Claude Code one step at a time. You need to direct me one step at a time what to do here. I just changed CoLateral so that it is a Next.js mainly functioning application. When I go to Vercel, it's still previewing as an HTML. And I don't know if it actually went to a Next.js. And like, I already have this all set up to be like a Tory application, and I've made it a Tory application before. But now I actually want to do that and like push it as that application so that like we can actually see the updates change live as a desktop application. So I need to give me step-by-step instructions, review the code, and tell me what I should be doing moving forward now that the canvas and everything about CoLateral is a Next.js application, while the About Me page, the tools preview, and the request access are HTML intended to be a website. Okay. This is big things, big things. So it's going to review our code. It's going to tell us, yes, you are ready to be a desktop application. And then we're going to just use it as a desktop application. We're no longer using Vercel to peep it. Because honestly, I think this is like just about ready to launch, guys. We might as well. We might as well. Guys, I got goosebumps. Oh, do you see that? Holy smokes. A little bit. So if this works, this could be something amazing. Truly amazing. Regarding our clips, worst case, I download them and I upload them myself. Worst case, you know? So watch this, Kyle. You want to burp? Watch this. Oh, yeah. So, Mr. Hashtag, we are building 2 different things right now. And I highly recommend you can adopt one of these builds on your own streams too. Build one yourself, and I promise you it is very beneficial. The first thing that I'm building, which I don't recommend you do your own thing. I'm building CoLateral, which is an engineering environment workspace that allows you to drop tools. So these are all structural engineering workspace tools that I built that allows you to be able to place these tools in place, connect them, all in this infinite environment. You're able to drop PowerPoints, spreadsheets, Word documents, calendars, everything, all in one beautiful world. Yeah, it snaps. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh. That's a big fix we got to do. This is the thing that I recommend that you do. Hashtag is you build yourself a clipping studio. So I have one where I have long form content. If I record it, it simply takes my video and automatically cuts out any of the quiet space in there. So this clips your long form videos, and then this actually turns it into YouTube Shorts that you can upload. YouTube Shorts are the number one way of being able to outreach to a new audience. Because people are scrolling by, you grab their attention with a YouTube Short. This, what it does is you can edit it, play around with it, and then schedule it right onto a time slot in YouTube, and it automatically uploads it when it works. Furthermore, you should be on X and Threads. You should be posting 10 posts a day and replying to 10 people a day. This gives me some recommendations. And then I just simply use Claude Code on Google Chrome. It batch uploads them onto Threads. And then I kind of have to like manually schedule them onto X. Because if you were to try to automate something on X, you will get shadow banned. I learned the hard way. Yeah. So I have a marketing agency and I am going to need something like this. Yeah, 100%, man. And I'm telling you, it is much easier to build than you can imagine. I mean, this probably took over 100 prompts and it's still broken. So that's one thing to think. But yeah, especially for getting your YouTube off the ground. I started this YouTube. Goodness, when was my first upload? I've come a long way. And I'm still like really bad at what we do. I take a look at my first live stream. Look, so these were blocked. These were from June. So about a month ago, I started live streaming. And I started uploading videos probably 2 weeks ago. Yeah, those don't count. Yeah, July 3rd. So 12 days. So ever since then, we've gotten how many videos? Thank you for the subscription, by the way. That's probably just on my channel. If I click that. 72 videos up. So that also includes live streams, long form, yada, yada, yada. So looks better than most vibe coded projects that I've seen. Thank you so much. That means a lot. As someone who's just really just getting started with all this, it means a lot to hear that. We do have some great people in the... you come a long way in a month. Thank you, Kyle. It means the world. We sure have. I want to show you where we started. When we were first live streaming... take a look at this. This is technically day 1 from a month ago. The music was lame. We had a weird banner. My camera quality was awful. My audio was awful. I was quiet. I didn't have any confidence. And I want to see what CoLateral looked like. I wasn't ever really good at streaming. Look, I was just like looking at videos the whole time. So this was the clip editor. It had all these weird things. I tried to do like some finance things. It wasn't necessary. But yeah, no, I'm proud of the progress we've made, guys. So yeah, thank you for all the very, very kind words. It's a journey for sure, but hey, we're gonna come out successful because we're gonna do this every freaking day. So I'm previewing this on Vercel, and it's still showing up as an HTML, but that's probably just because I'm dumb and looking at it on Vercel, and Vercel is an HTML like viewer. I just want you to see, like, how can I actually set this up as a desktop application one step at a time. Sorry, that was a prompt. Sometimes it's hard to tell when I'm prompting versus when I'm talking to you guys. I'm just trying to get one caveat and Tori. Guys, I got all this energy. You know why? It's because I slammed. I chugged this Diet Coke, Kyle. Yeah. But I've been vibe coding for 7 months now. No, that's awesome, man. I wish I had 7 months of experience at this point, to be honest. I wish, honestly, I started when ChatGPT first came out. It was just copy and pasting from chat. People with like 3 years of experience, you have more riz. Thank you, Kyle. It's because I'm standing up. I feel good. And I drink Diet Coke now, and I have all this energy. Ah! I'm pumped up, man. Okay, we got a lot to do today. Let's get to work. I got to go to the washroom, as you can tell by me pacing back and forth like this. But we're going to quickly write down Wednesday to do desktop preview. Yes. Fix clips. Yes. Upload clips. Yes. And it's 9 o'clock. That's a lot of stuff. So we'll leave it at that. I gotta run to the washroom. I'll be back super, super fast. I did eat dinner, Kyle. Peanut butter sandwiches. Like, it wasn't anything fancy. Okay, I'll leave you guys with my quick little video here while I go to the washroom. I'll be back. We are so back. So that was our latest video. You could see, oh, you can't see. 1 second. Watch this. That was our old counter. You can't see it. Essentially, we had 26 subscribers when we recorded that. And they're up to 38. We are growing, baby. We are an army. Stop. The only thing is I'm sad. Like, we got no views. We got a comment, but it's not showing. That stinks. You see that one comment? Oh, that's got to be spam. What? So anyone meeting the streets? Like, no way, GG from... Oh, that's weird. That's got to be spam. No, she's for real. Wow. Did she subscribe? Healing read. That's a really weird... Actually, this is real. And boom, I found a video how to learn AI. I'm coughing. I'm a cough auntie. I'm a certain age who's really starting my channel, struggling to find which AI tools to help. I think we helped someone. Thank you very much for the kind words. I promise to... Oh. Thank you very much for the kind words. It means a lot to hear that I can be of help. I promise more videos for beginners are coming your way. I promise to make you proud, and I hope my videos can be of great help to you. I just subscribed to your channel. I'll give her a subscribe. Why not? She is starting. She gets some good views on these, though, for shorts. Does she upload? Yeah, a little bit. Not a lot on the shorts, though. That sucks. That's very nice. Guys, that was such a sweet comment. I mean, mind you, like... Whatever. I do like recording these sort of long-form content videos, and I do want to make beginner-level AI videos, although, like, these streams are, you know, a few steps beyond just getting started. We are, I do want to reach out to a wider audience by saying, hey, guys, like, This is how you begin. This is how you get up to the point where you can build your own applications. And I really do want to teach people like how to use this clip editor. Like once I clean this up, show them how to make one. Because I don't know. I won't make money off of it, and I don't really care. Unless people are willing to pay for it. But I'm just saying, like, build it yourself. Like I'd rather get more traction on the channel for teaching people how to make their own, as opposed to trying to make a couple bucks off of a few subscriptions off of it, you know? So I'd love to make a video on how to make this, but it wouldn't be such a great video considering how many fails there are in this. Gotta run, bro. I'll catch you another day for sure. Would love to chat when you... Yeah, man. Hashtag. If you want to, I'd love to chat one day. Love what you're doing on your channel too, like with this grind. So I got you subscribed. I won't lose you. Let's catch up another time. Thanks for coming into the stream, by the way. All right. That was very nice. I love hashtag. Okay, so this gives us step-by-step instructions on how to... Your repo is two separate products living side by side. Tori app was added in 1201, yes. Vercel is pointing at the repo root, and your repo is static. So Vercel is doing exactly the right thing. Next.js. Yeah, hashtag, honestly, too. If I don't know how much you're into YouTube and all that, but if we want to do a collaboration one day and just talk about AI and like share ideas, man, would love to have a great chat. So... Anyways, thanks for coming into the stream, man. It means a lot. Next.js is not the repo root, most importantly. This is how we learn. The hard way. So there's nothing broken. No farts, Kyle. Dude, I was pretty bad earlier today, to be honest. Oh, actually this morning I was in the shower. Oh, humidity gets you. Do these on your own machine. Rust via rust up. Okay. So we're going to do a terminal. Oh, I've done this before. Gosh, I don't know how to run anything locally. This could be a boring part of the stream. Okay. No dependencies. Run it live in a real desktop window. Dev mode. So that's probably doing this. Instead of capital command, it'd be CoLateral. What? Yikes. This is a boring learning stream now, Kyle. This is how we launch our app. Oh, I haven't done anything locally there in so long. You can record them and send me on Discord? Oh, you're sick in the head. You have a fetish for my farts, do ya? Alright. Let's do this, chat. I want you to give me one step at a time instructions on how to actually, with Tori, launch CoLateral as a desktop app. Yeah, we're going to be streaming. It's a good boring stream, though. PowerShell. Inside your local. So I don't know if I actually have the latest local CoLateral. So how would I pull that or get that in from, say, the GitHub repository? How's the music volume, Kyle? I'm going to put my headphones back on because I'm calm again. Can you eat some cheese? I did eat cheese. I told you, man, because I'm stressed out, so I couldn't get anything out of me, hey? I got a lot of energy from those Cokes. You know what? I'm going to take a quick call. Okay, Kyle? Oh, you don't hear any music. Oh, dear. Kyle, I'm going to take a quick phone call, but I'll leave this with you for the time being. I'm going to figure something out boring for the time being.
AI has made 2026 the
There you go,
year
you
of the beginning
from
of
the beginning
Industrial
again.
Revolution.
I'll be back in just
And I'm
a
going to give you
second.
5 tips on how you can capitalize on that today. Even if you don't have any AI experience at all, I'm going to give you everything that you need to get started on capitalizing on this. Step 1 is choosing the right model. Now, there's so many out there from different companies that it becomes a little overwhelming which one you end up choosing. To make it as simple as possible for you, this one, bad. This one, okay. This one, good. I'll simply just tell you that Gemini is a very good model if you're already very much incorporated into a Google workspace. Furthermore, it's linked up to everything on YouTube, so if you need to do searches on YouTube, make sure that you're using this model. The next one we have is Grok, which is from X, which is from Elon Musk and all his friends over there at SpaceX. Essentially, Grok is very powerful at research, and it's able to tap into the entire X ecosystem and give you all the information you need based on what's trending. Of course, everyone knows ChatGPT, a very well-established AI. They're once the only ones out there, but now there's so many other options that they are not necessarily the greatest one. Now, there's a lot of talk about do they own the best model with GPT 5.6 right now, and that's up for debate. I would use ChatGPT if you want to use a lot of usage with a very good general purpose model. And finally, we go into my personal favorite, Claude. You can just feel by using it that Claude is a smarter model than all the other ones. The downside is often you get hit by rate limits, so you have to be very conservative in what you use for it. Therefore, I simply recommend for your hardest tasks, use Claude to accomplish that. Now, before we get into the next point, I'd love to give you guys a quick introduction of who I am. My name is Nick, and I'm on a journey to vibe coding until I can move out of my mother's basement. I've been extremely passionate in vibe coding my new application, CoLateral. Look at her beautiful baby, CoLateral, which is built to be an all-in-one engineering workspace that is an infinite canvas that has all of your engineering tasks all in one location, so you're not moving numbers from one place to another. Furthermore, if you couldn't see from the rest of my socials, I'm very passionate in creating an audience around what we're building here. And so I've also been developing a dashboard to allow me to manage all of my social media, create clips based on long form content, all without me having to actually go into the app. I'm telling you guys, there's never been a better time to be passionate about technology than there is today. So if you guys are very interested in what we have here on this channel, I recommend that you subscribe or follow me on any of these socials. And I will do 5 push-ups for every single follower that I have on any of these socials. Now on to the next one. The next bit of advice that I have for you is simply pay for AI. I know it's generally upsetting to know that we're in a pay-to-win system, but I'm telling you guys that you are getting what you pay for. If you simply just start with a $20 a month plan on any one of the models that I've told you about, you will win. You are giving yourself access to the best information out there, and you will become hooked. I simply started with myself just getting a $20 a month ChatGPT subscription. Now I've built my way all the way up to the $200 a month Claude subscription, as well as holding on to my $20 a month ChatGPT subscription as well. The next piece of advice that I have for you guys to capitalize on AI is to simply ask it to interview you. A lot of the times it's really difficult to know what to prompt into these AI systems because it's just so general. You can literally input anything you want in there. But what I highly recommend is, say for example, you want to start your own business, just simply ask one of these AI models to interview you, give you 20 questions that you can answer to get a better understanding of what you want to accomplish. And honestly, this is the best way to discover a little bit more about yourself and what your personal goals are moving forward. And this jumps in nicely to my next point, which instead of typing out the answers to all of these questions, I advise you guys to use voice commands as opposed to typing. Using dictation is typically 4 times faster than it is to type, which removes a lot of the friction that you need in prompting these AI models. And of course, the less friction you have, the better responses that you end up giving. And finally, the 5th piece of advice that I have for you guys is if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to use AI, just simply ask it. These models are literally trained to teach you how to vibe code, how to use the models to the best of your ability. And again, in implementing all of these other tips that I gave you, along with just simply asking, how can I get started? You will go a long way. You will build the best applications out there, and you will be a solo entrepreneur in, again, the new industrial revolution that is happening today. Guys, I am 100% serious that I am all in on everything that we're doing on this channel here. So if you guys have been following along, my name is Nick. I work as an engineer building the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future, CoLateral. I seriously believe that this will be the environment that all engineers will be working in the next couple years, and we're seriously going to invest every single moment of our free time on building this from the ground up. If you guys aren't too aware of what's going on this channel, essentially, I'm starting a new series called Vibe Coding Until I can move out of my mother's basement. We're currently at $0 of generated revenue, but we are building as much as we can. We are seriously going to ship this application along with many more. We're going to build an empire, and we're going to seriously make a difference in this world. Guys, I am seriously so energetic. I ended up moving my whole environment. I used to be working back there, but obviously now you can see I'm at a standing desk setup, and I'm seriously 100% honest when I tell you guys that I want to invest all of my free time into building this workspace right here. So make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe to the channel, tune in for the live streams where we're building publicly so you guys can see how I make this all. You guys can follow along and try to do this yourself. I'd love to guide you on this. Seriously, build a community around how we can make a difference in this vibe coded scene. So if you guys want to make money and you guys want to see, by example, how I'm going to move out of this basement, make sure you subscribe for more.
Existed, and frankly, the words that you see on here, if you were just living 20 years ago, would have made 0 sense. At all, but yet they are so critical to all the work that we do every single day today. And I want you to notice that this is like the exact same thing that AI is doing, but only faster. The iPhone from 20 something years ago to the iPhone 17 that we have today, that jump, if we replicate that for the next 20 years to say the iPhone 34, it's going to be more than the same jump that we saw. It's going to be drastically more. And simply put, guys, if you are not putting yourself out there, learning how to use the tools, putting yourself out as a personal brand, you are not compounding and you are simply falling behind in the new age that we're living in. The truth of the matter is, one single person can now build what took hundreds of people. I just want to show you guys a mini preview of CoLateral, which is the all-in-one engineering workspace that I'm building. This took me just a few weeks to put together with zero programming experience. Now I want you to imagine what someone with no experience in any other industry is able to put together in just a matter of weeks with what took a bunch of experienced, advanced, educated individuals to put together in months. So guys, I simply want to tell you, I'm not here to simply just build a personal brand. I'm not here to work one job as an engineering consultant. I'm here to build an enterprise. I want to build tools. I want to build a brand. I want to build courses. I want to build everything revolved around everything that I'm capable of doing with the tools at our disposal today. And the philosophy of this is simple. We just got to start slow, start early, and we have to compound relentlessly. Consistency is the key. Quitting is not an option. We just need to clock in, clock out, clock in, clock out. Keep going. We will build it. And guys, I simply challenge you to do the exact same. There's never been a better time to put all of your hopes and dreams into building an empire than there is today. Get to work before someone else beats you to it. If you don't understand how to use the tools, simply ask. All you have to do is prompt Claude, how do I use Claude? You know, I hope it was just as easy as just asking, how do I make $10 million? Maybe we might get there. But anyways, guys, I hope you just understand what I'm saying here. We have to embrace the tools. Do not push them away. Today is the day to get on it. I hope I see you guys in the next video. I hope we can learn something together, and I hope I can see you guys in our empires together. Thank you very much. Bit about you are not lazy, you are not untalented, you're just simply scared of one little thing, and that's appearing cringy online. How's it going, guys? My name is Nick. I am here with another video just to yap a little bit about what it takes to just simply get started with uploading. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my story. I used to be a YouTuber when I started when I was 10 years old, I think. You know, I had a good phase of that going. I think I had up to 200 subscribers on my YouTube account at that time. And then I eventually just deleted my channel because I was just getting made fun of both online and at school at the time. And that was everything that it's like, oh no, that's horrible. Why would I ever do that? Looking back at it, it's like, yes, those videos were awfully cringe, but I'm very happy that I did them anyways, because it gave me a little bit of experience in knowing what it takes to start a YouTube channel, getting in front of a camera and just getting comfortable. So I took a break there, and then I think again when I was 16, I think I tried a couple more videos there, and again, I ended up privating a lot of those simply because I was just worried about the cringe of it. And here we are today, 2026. I'm now 26 years old, and I'm uploading videos. And I hope that after a few months of posting, I don't just give up thinking this is just absolutely ridiculous. I hope that I can just fight through the cringe, because I know the videos that I'm making right now are I know I'm going to look back at them and think, ooh, but that is exactly what it takes in order to be successful. You have to be consistent in uploading videos, regardless of how high quality they are or not. You simply just need to get the reps in. So then, let's say when you get to your 1000th video, then you have the expertise. You take every single video and you're working towards refining the optimal video every single step of the way. You're only going to do that if you actually publish the videos. You have to click that button that you guys saw in the thumbnail there. You have to click
publish. Just don't be afraid of what the comments say. People who scroll by, people who leave a comment, you should be grateful that they're actually like doing that for you, because they're taking the time out of their day to comment on your video. Even if it's something awful like bathe with a toaster, which is one I got just the other day. I just see that as, I'm grateful that this user decided to actually drop a comment down below. Do you know what it takes to upload? Like sometimes people are just thinking, oh, I need a really high budget. I need a storyline. No, just get in front of a camera, start yapping, talk about what you want your personal brand to be. I think it's most important to build a YouTube channel just about you. Talk about you, put yourself out there, learn to talk about yourself. Not only, I think that's a very beneficial way of just growing who you are as a person in the relationships that you have in the real world, but it's also very beneficial because it helps you kind of navigate like who you really want to be. I am outwardly expressing publicly the person that I'm going to be. And so it's forcing me to think about that. Who do I want to portray myself to be? If I'm doing that every single day, I'm shaping myself to be a manifested version of success, because everybody wants to be successful on YouTube, right? So if I'm uploading who I am every day, I want to manifest the idea that I want to be successful. I want to develop a professional business that goes a long way. I want people to know who I am. I want people to know that I'm cool, happy, funny, overall a good guy. And they're not going to know that if you're too scared to publish. If you're worried about the cringe, again, I've said this in a previous video, but people who judge the cringe of your videos are just not willing to face that on their own. And that is a problem on them. Simply put, guys, just get out there and record videos. Now, I do have a couple tips and tricks when it comes to uploading videos, because there are just so many social media platforms out there in the world. How do you keep track of where you should be publishing? Obviously, if you're seeing this on YouTube, go ahead. I am uploading shorts of these too, so you might see this on a TikTok or an Instagram or a Facebook video. Regardless, just try uploading everywhere and find where your target audience is, because sometimes your videos might be more beneficial for shorts on TikTok as opposed to long form videos on YouTube. And the only way to find that out is just simply just upload a bunch. So I do want to show you guys, oopsies. I have a lot of shorts content coming right up, all scheduled to go. This is something that I've been working on in the background next to my CoLateral All-in-One Engineering Workspace. Love building software, love developing. But anyways, we're not plugging that for today. I want to show you, this is my little clip creator little studio here. So I'm able to just generate clips. I'm able to upload my shorts based on just Yap sessions that I have, the live streams that I'm working on, and overall just telling you guys how it is, and then breaking it down into the smaller chunks so that, you know, most people probably won't get it this deep into the video, because a lot of people are just going to click off within the first little bit. I just want to be able to express that stuff in clips so that you guys are able to get these little Yap sessions in digestible little outputs. And I think it's very important that everyone should be, if you're going to start a personal brand online, you got to be uploading YouTube shorts. You got to be doing digestible content. That's the easiest way to reach out to a cold audience, people who don't know you at all. And the best way of doing that is, guys, like, get on this vibe coding movement. Make yourself a clip editor, clip creator, and clip distributor. Simply just talk in front of a camera. Get rid of all the friction. Just talk in front of the camera. Don't worry too much at the beginning about editing way down to the nitty-gritty. Just simply talk in front of a camera. Build yourself a clip editor and get those clips out online. Post every single day. Just get it out. If you get judged by someone in real life that sees this, c'est la vie. Just keep pushing away. Keep uploading. Don't give up. And the world will give you a benefit at the end of the day. Those who stay consistent, they will be successful in their journey. So anyways, that's pretty much everything that I want to just say in my Yap session. Overall, don't be afraid of hitting that button, guys. Just go for it. Just talk what you have to talk, and then you will learn what your niche is. You will learn how to upload videos. So that's about everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Hoping I can upload something maybe tomorrow. But anyways, that's it for me. This is Nick van de Wettering signing off. Thanks, guys. The best time to start building the product of your dreams is today. How's it going, guys? My name is Nick. I am the CEO and founder of CoLateral, the All-in-One Engineering Workspace. If you guys don't know me, I work as a structural engineer in Ontario, Canada, and I've always had this pain point in the engineering world with the idea that there's so many different products out there, there's so many different windows that you have to have open, and for something that requires so much checking of safety, it's really an issue that there can be so much human error in transferring numbers from one page, one window to the other. And so that's why I decided to build CoLateral. If you guys could take a look here, beautiful canvas we got going on. Takes its time loading up, but yeah, I built and I've put together an all-in-one engineering canvas, which is essentially an infinite workspace that allows you to drop in text, add notes, organize things in folders. And what I think is really important is it allows you to essentially just drop in whatever tool that you can imagine if you're working as a structural engineer. So yeah, you got everything at your disposal. Yeah, there's a little bit of that there. Yeah, so what got me passionate about this is I truly fell in love with the idea of vibe coding, putting things together. So as someone who I did have somewhat of an interest in programming back in high school, and then in my first programming course in university, college, I hated it. It felt like it took so long to understand how anything was actually done, because the whole course was essentially, it seemed way too fundamental for me. It was the most difficult way of essentially printing hello world into your terminal. And I thought, it took a whole semester to be able to print hello world. How long is it going to take until I can actually build something quite interesting? And now that we have Claude Code, we have Codex, we have so many of these local models, open source models, all at our disposal, anything is possible now. As someone with little programming experience, I was able to do all of this essentially with just my voice. So I want to show you guys like what my procedure kind of looks like here. It's essentially just me going into Claude here. I do have a Codex session here, but I truly, guys, if you're gonna choose one AI coding place, I think you gotta go with Claude. Fable 5 has truly transformed the way how everything is done. What people are able to one-shot with that model is truly amazing. Anyways, yeah, I just go into here, and then if I see like there's a change that I want to make with this, I simply just yap right into the microphone. Something along the lines of, what's something that I would really want to work on? Oh, now that we have Fable back. Oh, not on here. Rats. 1 second. 1 second. I'm going to pull that up. There we go. We got our... Ooh. Use 11% in just Opus chats. Alright. This is how I do it. Just with whisper flow, guys, I just simply just get right into it and start yapping. I want you to review and ensure that all of the structural elements in Schematic Frame Designer, such as beams, columns, walls, slabs, they all have dedicated schedules
And we can do a separate one for like if it's a wood wall. That needs to be separate from concrete wall. And we need it such that there's functionality such that every single one of these items, if they're dropped, then on the right toolbar in the model world, we allow it such that there's a handoff tool for the user to be able to like design that structural element in the handoff tool. It drops off the tool. The user is able to size everything in that tool, and that sizing corresponds right back to what's in the model. So whatever's selected in the handoff tool needs to connect with what's in the schematic frame designer. In addition, when the handoff tool is provided, the loading of what is provided on the schematic frame designer needs to match what is inputted in the handoff tool by default. So for example, if there's a uniform distributed load and a point load at the 1/3 point in a beam in the schematic frame designer, you need to allow it such that when the structural steel beam handoff tool is generated, the UDL and the point load at 1/3 point is made. The beam is already at the length that was as per the schematic frame designer, and the loading is accurate. And then it's just a matter of the user to be able to just choose which size they want. I need you to ensure all this functionality is working. Don't break anything that's existing. Overall, we just want to get rid of the redundancy of having a size on the schematic frame designer being different than what's in the handoff tool. Okay, so you just yap like that for what felt like 2 minutes there. And then you just send it off. I'm going to Fable 5 extra this. You know, I might max it, to be honest. No, that's just going to shoot. So we're going to send that off, and boom, there we go. We got ourselves a prompt. And guys, this is the procedure that I've been just going on with to be able to build the All-in-One Engineering Workspace. Again, from little to no programming experience, this is truly something that is open to the general public. And so there's going to be a lot of builders out there, and therefore it's going to be a saturated market. You need to be out there vibe coding every single day, being consistent. You need to be the best at what you do in order to stick out. To be able to market your software is super important. Are you on YouTube? Are you uploading shorts? Are you uploading long form videos? Are you live streaming? Can you do this every single day? Can you schedule uploads? You need to be consistent with all this. You need to be passionate about what you are building so that you have the motivation to continue uploading about it. The typical way of growing a business is not the way that it's going to be in the next few years. Uploading onto social medias is essential, and uploading once every 3 months, let's say, is not that's just not acceptable. You need to be uploading every single day. And I know, like, if you're working a job right now and your company seems to be doing fine and you're not uploading videos every day there, that's the old way of doing it. These companies eventually, like, they need to optimize the algorithm, or else these vibe coded tools, these vibe coded softwares, services, etc., they will rise above and they will overtake what we think the world is right now. So you guys need to, this is the start of something. Don't worry about if, oh, I haven't started a channel yet, I'm a little behind. Don't worry. Just start today. I think of myself, I'm 26 years old, and I keep thinking, it's like, man, what, like, I used to make YouTube videos when I was like 10, and I deleted all those. And then I think to myself a lot, why couldn't I just keep going? Why couldn't I have uploaded constantly? Why couldn't I have started earlier? Why couldn't I have been passionate about something at 16 and uploaded videos every single day to build up a massive YouTube channel by the time I'm 26? You're always going to say that, because when I was 16, I bet I would have asked the exact same question, why I didn't do it years before. Therefore, there's no point in arguing with what you've done in the past. It's truly just a matter of,
can you build something today? Start today. There's no better time than today. Might as well just get at it. And if you have no clue what you're building, if you have no clue what you're doing, that doesn't matter. You need to just like upload. That is how you get your feedback. If you have no clue whether something's good or not, let the algorithm tell you. Let the comment section tell you. I literally got a comment the other day from someone saying, take a bath with a toaster or bathe with a toaster. It was something funny. It was clever. That's just simple feedback. I mean, mind you, that's one guy, and to be able to send that, I don't know, that's more of a critique on him than me, to be honest. However, you need to find your shtick by consistently uploading every single day. You can find your shtick by uploading, seeing what feels comfortable with you. If something's uncomfortable, that's not meant to be uploaded. You need to keep going and like see what works. See what you can build yourself. And heck, I gotta be honest, this is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm just uploading a video, to be honest, just to feel out what it's like to upload videos, to feel out what my audience is looking for, and to feel out what will be successful. And every single day is iteration. It's a trial run. And that's exactly what, honestly, everything is. You got to fake it till you make it. And if you look at YouTubers who've been doing this for years and years and years, the new meta changes constantly, and we're all just adapting to it. No one's actually prepared for what's to come because we can't predict what's about to come. And it's truly just a matter of feeling it out. Sometimes you'll get lucky, sometimes you won't get any views at all. Feel it out, upload every single day, just try. It's better than not trying at all. Don't let cringe hold you back from what you want to accomplish. If you are worried about people judging you based on what you are going to upload, the reason why they're judging you is because they are not willing to face the cringe. They look at it, it's like, oh, that's so cringy. Like, why would you upload that? That's so, why? They are not willing to face the cringe. That's a problem on them. And you shouldn't take their feedback because they're uncomfortable with trying to accomplish something. Don't listen to that. You need to embrace the cringe. I'm going to watch back on this in like years from now, and I'm going to be like, oh, like, why did I ever do that? But I'll be thankful that I did it because it's the start of being consistent every single day to build towards hopefully something truly successful in the next many, many years to come. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Please follow for some more content. We have lots of live streams coming. I'm going to try every single day. YouTube Shorts content, pumping those out every single day. And I do just want to have some long form content coming out to you guys as well to really like give you guys a sense of who I am and what we're building. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for the video. Thank you so much for the video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back. 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Oh, they are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care, and dance a village clown pose. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. When opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's out, and dance a village clown pose. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And it's just you and me. It's time for Boga. It's time for Boga. You know, it's always a good time for Slav Polka. Bring the beat. It's time for Boga. Let's start slow. And they faster.
Avik Maladi 2127. How are we, my friend? So sorry for the delay there. I was on a long call.
It's time for Boga.
We are building, my friend. Let me show you what we are building here. I'd love to introduce to you. Oh, couldn't be found. We are building CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future. Hold on, I'll pull it up big screen here. Waboom. This is our all-in-one engineering workspace. I'm going to have a demo video coming soon. Pricing soon to come. Let me just quickly show you. We are building an infinite canvas workspace that allows you to drop in your tools for structural analysis design, 3D modeling. Boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Connect your tools right to your 3D model. Boom. Link it. Link it. Link it. All in this infinite canvas world. You can build massive little places out here. Dr. Q. Hold on. This is the one. You can get crazy with it if you choose to. It's a bonkers world that we're living in here, and I'm so proud to have you on our journey in doing such a thing. And then furthermore, we also have a clipping agent that we're working on. So all of the all of our videos that we upload, they simply come from these streams. They get clipped, they get edited. Oh, shoot, it's because now localhost 3000 is being taken by something else. Dr. Q! I'm just showing Mr. Avik what we are building here today. Just showing him our clipping center. I showed him CoLateral, which we now, by the way, we have finally as a desktop application, which is sick. Yeah, so. And finally, you see this bar? Like this top bar doesn't get stuck. Well, that one like shrinks. So maybe I'd have to look at that. We could fix that. We could fix that with a prompt. But yeah. New desktop application we're going to launch. I'm going to say August 1st is the latest that this is going to be a legit thing. So yeah, we are rolling. Guys, we hit 100 messages in today's stream. Thank y'all for everything. Avik, if you like what you see and you want to join in on the adventure, you know what to do, baby. You know what to do. We got all these socials. If you follow on any one of these socials, I have to do 5 push-ups for you, my man. 5 push-ups. We even got the... Oh, my push-up counter camera. Yeah. 5 push-ups down here. So it's up to you. It's up to you how much work you put me through. But yeah, CoLateral, the all-in-one infinite canvas workspace of the future. So yeah, finally got desktop app, Dr. Q, with Next.js cooking. Yeah, it's in Tori. Yeah. So I've done this once before with like Tori, like, and I had it as a desktop app. Let's go. By the way, I'm checking to see if you subscribe here, man. I'm refreshing this. Dude, you could be my 40th subscriber if I refresh this. Do we see? Let's go! Come on. We got 40 there, baby. Big old 40 bomb. Let's go. Thank you so much for subscribing. I guess I'm going to have to get to work, won't I? Drop and give me 5. Drop and give me 5. Drop and give me 5. Okay. I did 6, baby. I did 6. Keep the change. Keep the change, baby. Let's go. Welcome to the family here. Big things are coming. Get the dogs out, baby. Where the push-ups at? Did you not see them? Hold on, I'll do more if you want more. Look at that. You want more? Here. Let's go! Are you not entertained? You doing them with me, baby? That's right. We're getting in shape. We're launching desktop applications. Yeah. We're here to do big things. We don't settle for being mediocre. Oh, no, we don't. Nuh-uh-uh. Okay. Oh, shoot, I gotta go to the bathroom really bad. Okay, Dr. Q. So, little problem that I have is, so localhost 3000 is what I do typically for that, like, clipping editor thing. Which, by the way, it keeps failing. Dr. Q, this is what you missed, man. Look at all these fails. It's so sad. Every time I try to do something new, something else breaks. Oh, I think this hashtag space guy followed us too today. So, quick shout out to hashtag space. Make sure you give him a follow back. He's also vibe coding the first $1 billion vibe coded project.
All right, everybody, welcome to the Rob Bibb hashtag space radio.
What does he build? Oh, it's like a...
Own your name, move it wherever you want. That's the part of Web3 that actually pays off. The rest is noise.
Holy crap. Big shout out to hashtag space.
Here, let's go ahead and generate an article, right? So, one content task queued, coming up, boom, let's jump over. Let's
This guy's
open a new
better than me
page
so far.
and go to hashtag dot. Our name is hashtag dot space, but that domain name cost me $650 a year, and I'm really pissed about it. Here are domain names. Hashtag domain names only cost you one time in life, and then they're just $1 per year to let you know you're
Anyways, that's our shout out. Well, I gotta go pee. You
alive
guys
or
watch.
you're still interested in keeping the domain name, right? So there's a lot of different Web3 domain names on the planet, but this is the first one with an ecosystem where you can actually use it. Okay, so like for example, if I just type in the word space, right? I own the word space. I don't have to type in the hashtag. I just own the word space, which takes me to my portal. I can turn my AI agent on at any time. Let's try that. If I turn my AI agent on right here, that means that anybody that comes to my portal is automatically going to come in here. Agent, right? So let's jump over here. Let's turn the music down a little bit. I hate to do that, but you know, sometimes we have to turn it down. And jump over here and let's talk to an AI agent. I'm using Tavis, by the way. Very expensive, 59 cents a minute, but very worth it.
Hi, I'm the AI host for Hashtag Space.
Yeah, this guy's crazy. He might beat me to $1 billion, guys. I just learned how to make a desktop app for the first time. But I got more subscribers than him. We're at 40 today. Let's go. Started the stream with 38. Tickety-tockety. Okay, so Dr. Q. My problem. So I want to know, like, what's the procedure in terms of, because before, as long as I just like merged my pull requests to main, if I just went on Vercel, I preview main and that was it. So how can I have it such that 59 cents a minute? Oh yeah. Sorry, I drank 2 Diet Cokes. That's why I'm fired up right now. So the question that I have for you is, how can I have it such that I can preview the Tori desktop application right away? Also, how do I ensure like this actually has like a database? Like, I don't have to set up like a super base for that, right? Like that should just be stored on your local. So if I just like dropped a bunch of crap here, like, okay, so I do that and it should save. Yeah, so saved. If I were to close this, okay, this is Vercel, so I'm gonna close that. Just so we're not getting confused here. Okay. So, now in my terminal, that was the app. That was the Next.js app, like in Tori. Or sorry, well, like Next.js was running the back end, and that was like the Tori puppy right there. So it worked. I did it in Fable. So now I just have like a PowerShell. Like a thing that's just running all this. So if I were to kill that, like let's say, oh, it doesn't do that. Okay, well it's out right now, right? So this is stored on, oh, it's on my desktop. That's stupid. Auto poll CoLateral. Oh, it gave me a batch file. This is my desktop apps. John Cena. So it gave me an auto poll batch file. No, that's from 0602. This probably doesn't work. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, that doesn't work. That's an old one. Those are, oh, that's just OneDrive. I'm so stupid. I'm just gonna ask chat. Stop running the app with Control C and then paste this single command prompt. Okay. That's what it says here. Okay. So if I run that, that's a lot of stuff. Set location, get switch main, get pull, set location, npm command install, npm command run Tori dev. That's so much crap. Holy smokes. But I guess it should work. Oh, I gotta make sure things are merged to main though. Yeah, let's do that. Merge the pull requests from today to main. So now when I get this repping. Okay. So when that goes, then I should be able to run this long ass prompt. Which maybe I should like save that somewhere. Please don't. Oh, great. I just leaked some fucking tokens. Great. Whatever. I knew that would happen. Okay. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, now that I have it as a desktop like application on Tori, it's saying like if I wanted to preview it as a desktop application, like running through command prompt, I would have to pull all the like the pull requests from over to main and then install and then run Tori dev in my terminal here. So now that everything's merged, I do that. Branch is up to date. Okay, so we should be okay there. And then npm run dev and then install. So I could have done a local host, I suppose. But, oh, is it just instead of, oh, what the frick happened there? They butchered our Beam Buddy guy. I told them to fix it, and look what they did to us. That doesn't work. Okay, and that does save it. So this is like local chase. Okay. Okay, so yeah. You gotta watch what GPT 5.6 does. Because you'll run into this. 404 page not found. Oh, and there's no back button. Okay, I just have to refresh it technically. Okay. So yeah, we're on Next.js. So this works. Oh, this stupid sidebar thing, man. So I'm just trying to think, is there an easy way to be able to pull this up? And like, as long as I merge things to main, am I able to Like this updates automatically, I'm pretty sure, right? So like let's do a quick Claude prompt. Sure, Opus. You need to have it such that this top bar, like when we shrink the window size, things don't get hidden as we shrink it more and more. So if things do get hidden, then you need to start introducing drop-down menus. It's good that like you do it such that like when it gets to a small size, we do icon only. But at some point, like instead of hiding these, like we have to do drop-down menus so that like regardless of the screen size, they always show up. This is also like inclusive of once we do like iOS, iPhone, XR preview too. Yeah, NPM, Tory, NPX I see, but do you mean NPM? Tory Dev should run it. Yeah. Because when I checked it, it said Next.js inferred your workspace root, but it may not be correct. I also just gotta get comfortable, like desktop. Oh, because I said desktop app, and now they're saying like, oh, it's on your desktop, but it's not. It's okay. No, it's NPX, NPM might as well. But I've always had to use NPX. Okay. Okay, so this is something I gotta say. So before I had my Capital Command Center as localhost 3000, but now this is being taken up by CoLateral. Can you give me like a new one for the Capital Command Center? And then, I don't know, is there something that you can give me that like I can prompt to then like just have a shortcut to open up like the run dev mode for CoLateral and Capital Command that I could just do by double clicking a button? Is that just a .bat file then? Like where I just double click and it opens up the desktop app? And it's fine if, okay, because if I were to run localhost 3000, yeah, it runs CoLateral now. Which again, they butchered Beam Buddy. You could change its port. Yeah, so I don't care, like, localhost 3000 can be CoLateral 3001 or 2 or whatever, it can be Capital Command. Yeah, and that's what Chad is saying. Yeah, dot or a bat file. I'm just gonna give this because I'm so lazy. Did that do it right? I need you to give me a bat file to be able to double click to go into a desktop application for both CoLateral and Capital Command. So go and implement these bat files. Let's see if that does anything. Let's see. You need to build the Tory build in your project. You need to build Next.js with next build. You need to build the Tory exe with npx Tory build. Ooh. Like, isn't this Next.js? Like, am I stupid? Like, as far as I'm aware, like, we got it running. Or is this just the dev tool checker thingy? This N at the bottom. What does this N at the bottom mean? Is this not Next.js? Ha, that's funny. Takes us to this. Web app. On the application, like the desktop app, it seems like when I click the top left corner CoLateral logo, it doesn't take us to the introduction hero page. It needs to bring us back to this. Also, you need to see that the Beam Buddy on the hero page got messed up by GPT 5.6, which is such a shame. Can you bring it back to the original design of Beam Buddy? And he has to be blue. Yeah, but you have to compile Next.js to static code, so it's not in dev mode. It's faster when compiled. Yeah, because dev mode, like, it's slow as frick. Like, at first I was using dev mode for, like, my clip editor, and it was a nightmare. And then I realized, oh, you're not supposed to actually use it in dev mode. When compiled and when you build Tory, it will give you the actual exe you can open without needing all commands. Next.js static code. I'll ask, oh shoot. Launch CoLateral bat. So if I were to close that. That's hilarious. Already up to date. Sweet. Oh my word, and it builds it. Haha, look at that. Cool. Okay, so we got one bat file. I guess I can have that anywhere. I'll put it in my CoLateral. Wherever the frick that is. Let's see if the capital command one worked, because I know that's going to be fricked up, because I didn't really do anything to... Yeah, that's a lot. Oh, we got 3 viewers going on right now. What is up, everybody? And then Dr. Q, eventually I'm going to have to actually launch like a website, and that's where About CoLateral will take us. And that'll show like the demo video and everything of us showing off how it is done, baby. Oh yeah. It's a shame. Oh, it's just taking a while for it. Oh, Capital Command. Come on. Local host. You guys seeing this? You guys seeing this? The future is now. See, that's running Tori. Oh my word. We got it. Wait. Why is that running as a like an Edge browser thing? That's funny. I don't see my clips. Again, probably this is dev mode that it's ripping. If you want, I could help you with that. Because I can't really help with Cloudflare stuff. Yeah, I mean, like, I should get to learn this stuff. Because we're going to be launching apps left, right, and center, baby. This ain't no joke. This is faux real, baby. This is faux real. What is going on, Deep State Stoic? I kind of love that name. We are vibe coding right now. We are actually trying to launch some desktop applications for my uploading center, which seems to be broken at the moment when I'm trying to launch it here. We are also launching CoLateral, the All-in-One Engineering Workspace of the future. Oh, this one doesn't have any... Take a look. Of the future, baby. This allows you to connect all of your engineering tools all in an infinite canvas that lets you do whatever you want in here, baby. You can drop in files. You can add spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations. Let's throw in a Grok logo. Oh, it doesn't work that way. On the web app, you can drag and drop. A lot of problems that we're in right now as we're trying to currently move towards a desktop application workspace. But I assure you that this is the product of the future. Deep State Stoic, if you want to follow our journey into vibe coding until we move out of my mother's basement, you know what to do, baby. You know what to do. Let's see some friggin' heat. Come on. Come on. I'm begging you, man. I'm begging you. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yes. Okay, thank you, Dr. Q. Because I noticed when I stopped doing dev mode, I wouldn't see it anymore. Obviously, dev mode's like not the full run through. It's just for fun. Deep State Stoic. Come on. Be our next subscriber. Give it to me. I'm wearing a Megan Maroney shirt for this occasion, just for today. It's a big day. Come on. Oh, yeah. Where is CoLateral locally stored, and where is Capital Command locally stored on my computer? That is a great question, as we are moving environments very quickly. Oh, I was supposed to make these folders. Huh. You need to have it such that folders lock on to the grid, very similar to all cards. Currently, they're free floating, and that is very problematic. Also, we need to make them much bigger when they spawn in by default. Let's make them like 4 grid spaces by default. Oh yeah, baby. Getting those puppies cooking. In the meantime, Deep State Stoic, please, baby, please be our 41st subscriber. Please. I'm using Google AI Studio. How is that going for you? I know Google's got something up their sleeve in terms of new models that they're going to drop. I love working in a native Google workspace, but I'm Goo Goo Gaga for Fable 5 and GPT 5.6. That's why we split screen them right here. Yeah, it says those are in my documents. Are they? Nah. Come on, baby. Subscribe. You've been subscribed. Well, thank you for being subscribed, my friend. You know what? I don't think I've ever given you push-ups for your subscription. So, I appreciate everything you do, and I want to show you how much I appreciate you. So, take a look at this, baby. Drop and give me 5. Drop and give me 5 right here, baby. Drop and give me 5. Come on. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, it's almost bedtime for me, and I'm getting fired up. Oh, yeah. Okay. Anyways. Thank you for the subscription. I owe you the world, my man. Nothing in this world makes sense for me. We're just learning as we go. He's good, though. He's good. Okay. They aren't there. You need to look for where they are. Are you sure they're not in Documents GitHub? Boom. Deepest State Stoic, I'm going to take a look at your stuff here. Do you upload on YouTube at all? Ooh, a new Jubilee video. Oh. I see 2 AI videos. I'll follow you on X if you give me a follow on X, my guy. I use Claude 2 for my faceless channel. Oh yeah. Claude's where it's at, baby. Claude is where it is at. That's funny. The latest thing was friggin' June 29th, which was a long time ago. I don't even understand what's going on. So yeah, I have to not dev mode anymore, essentially. Dr. Q. Just started. Welcome to the grind, baby. Welcome to the absolute grind, Deep State Stoic. My best advice for you, as sung with 40 subscribers, just keep your head down. Don't check YouTube Studio, even though I literally have a counter and everything. It's best for your health to just make videos for 6 months. Don't look at anything, and then see what happens. What's my app for X? I just gave you a follow on X, so you'll see me. That's 5 more push-ups if you follow me there. I mean, dev mode is good when building, but not for production or testing. Definitely not. Yeah, I'm just trying to piece together what the frick this all means. Like with respect to dev command. Yeah, it's something I gotta study up a bit better. Oh, and my clips. Everything's broken there, too. When everything's made to be broken. Localhost 3001. Yeah, did I just lose all my clips? Thank you for the follow, man. I guess I gotta do 5 more. Publishing is switched off. Something about... Oh, because what? My API keys and crap were stuck on 3000? That stinks. Okay. I think we have a significant problem in which I need Capital Command Center to be localhost 3000 and CoLateral needs to be 3001. So you need to do the swap without breaking the existing functionality. Because right now, like, I lost everything having Capital Command be localhost 3001. I'm also in dev mode, so I don't even know what's going on anymore. I used to do npm run build, npm run start. That wouldn't be dev mode, and everything would just be working there, and all was well. But now I just feel like everything's a mess. So clean up my life, please. That's a great prompt. Guys, I will be streaming a lot tomorrow. Should be like all night type beat. Because I ain't gotta work. So I might end the stream tonight at that. I think we made some good progress in terms of making CoLateral a desktop application. Next step is to actually like launch the website for it. Connect like, you know, the link from the desktop app to the website and get a Stripe page going so people can actually pay. When you vibe code, do you use security as well to protect your builds? No, I don't, because I'm stupid. I have nothing secure right now. And if I were to look into security, I would simply just tell Fable 5, make my things secure. Look for security vulnerabilities and fix it. To be honest, yeah, I know nothing about development, so we're just ripping it. But I am only launching just a desktop application for the time being, so I'm not going to, well, like the website, sure, but there's nothing on the website other than like a Stripe dashboard that's going to be the paywall behind, you know, a download link. But yeah, the things I'm doing don't require major security at this moment. That's going to be part of the journeys. We're going to learn that as we go, because we're building an empire. The first couple apps we make, yeah, we'll just be simple desktops, maybe some iOS apps too, and then we're gonna do some like monthly subscription cloud-based stuff. Fable 5's good at that. Oh yeah, just seeing like people just saying, yeah, give me some security vulnerabilities. Yeah, it's a Mythos model. Like the whole point of Fable is it was so strong they had to guardrail how good it was at spotting security vulnerabilities. That's why they took it away from us. Yeah, so Capital Command's existing browser data should reappear as soon as it's back on localhost 3000. That's good to see. I do like 5.6 a lot. If you're adding subscriptions, you have to add a server and make it sure the server and clients are secure. Yeah, that's the thing, is subscription-based products versus if it's just going to be a one-time purchase. So CoLateral is just going to be a one-time purchase. Like, frankly, I'm going to market it as it's an environment, but also here's some tools, like as a freebie sort of thing, essentially. But you're paying for the environment. That doesn't require a server. That doesn't require major security if it's just going to be something they can just download onto their computer. So that's how we're going to start it for now. I think the goal is to literally just launch this as quick as we can. Might put you on Opus though, doing it with Fable. Yeah, a lot of the times it like falls back onto Opus, which stinks. Because it's not afraid to like muck your usage, of course. Actually, I've been doing super well on usage because I've been using 5.6 so much. Like if I go to, does anyone realize this is essentially infinite usage? GPT. I have 4 resets. I haven't even jumped into them. I'm at 80%, and this is a $20 a month plan, guys. $20 a month. Just insane. Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, yeah, this was a great stream. 2 hours and 44 minutes. I had to take a call. Deep State Stoic, you get some sleep. I'm going to have to do the same thing. It's 11 o'clock here, Eastern Standard Time. I'm very happy with what we were able to accomplish. Yeah, lots of stuff to keep cooking, of course, but we will learn one day at a time. That's what it's all about, building the empire. So anyways, I'm going to leave the stream at that, guys, but thank you so much for all of the help. Dr. Q, DRQ, I know that's what it is, but I like calling you Dr. Q. You are the MVP once again, my man. Thank you so much for everything, guys. We will see you in the next one. We are growing more and more every single day. More videos coming, more clips. It's hard to do because life's busy, but yeah, we will keep pumping out videos. So we'll see you guys in the next one.